and today I have a very Halloween-y glam. I played with a lot of fall, dark, vampy colors, and I think that this is a really good look. I wanted to play around with a different lip because you guys always see me with nudes, and I really did not want to go in with like a berry tone just yet. I don't know. I just think that's too stereotypical. But I just decided to go in with a gray lip because why not? I hope you guys enjoy the look nonetheless, and let's get started. For primer today, I used my Makeup Revolution Pro Base Blur Primer, and for foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty 210 foundation, and I'm just going to go ahead evenly spread this across the skin just so I can have a nice and flawless base. Y'all already know what's up for concealer. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and my Born This Way concealer. Again, I'm going to try and scrape every single last bit of concealer out of this tube and put it on my face. I'm going to bake my face with the ShopMissA Soft Light Powder, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, under my cheekbone, anywhere where I want to bake. I'm just going to do a natural fill-in because I want the focus to be on the eye look as opposed to anything else. So I'm just going to do the natural fill-in, or just like my everyday eyebrow routine, just so that it's on there. Don't really have to worry too much about it. I'm going to brush out the powder with my Bdellium Tools 941 brush. Looks like this. And I'm just going to go ahead, do circular motions, and then just buff this off. Today's eyeshadow palette of choice is the Focallure Everchanging palette. This one is sold on the Juno&co website. This palette by far is my favorite palette under $10. Like, out of all the palettes that I own, if I'm looking at the price, this one is definitely under the affordable range, and it's definitely one that I recommend 100%. Even the Juno&co team was like, oh yeah, do you still like that palette? And I said, heck yeah, brother, this is my favorite. And so I'm just going to take an orange shade called the Palace, and I'm going to pop that into my crease as a base. In this palette, there's like this really dark plummy gray. It's not quite black, but I'm going to take that color all over my eyelid, kind of how I did in that golden black tutorial. I just wanted to make sure that my whole lid is just really dark. I will blend it after. I'm just focusing on the patting motion. So with this purple, I'm just going to place this right on the edges of that really dark gray, and I'm just going to blend this purple into the orange as well. I want it all to flow together as one. So I've just gone back with the initial brush that I had my orange on, and right where the purple was, I just continued to blend, and right now, as you could see, it's a lot more blended and a lot more smoky than this. See how the purple just changes the look a little bit more? So I'm going to continue that on this eye, and then we will just finish up the lower lash line. It's pretty simple. Since I'm unsure if I want a wing or not, I'm just going to apply a thin line onto my upper lash line because this look just looks really good smoked out already. So I'm just going to do that. I have my Makeup Revolution Modern Renaissance. Thank you so much. Renaissance Flick Eyeliner. I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline with the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Black. This stuff is absolutely amazing. You can apply it, you don't even have to set it, and it will stay in all day. Just like our top lid, we're just going to start with the orange. So I'm going to take the orange pretty far down my lower lash line, just so you could see the difference between the colors that I will be applying. The same concept will be the same for the lower lash line, so it's going to be a gradient from the orange to purple to black. Alright, let's go in with purple next. Let's go ahead and smudge the purple right near the lash line, near the black eyeliner. And then finally, I'm going to take that gray and place it right near where my lashes grow, just so that I could blend the eyeliner into the look. So I think I am going to go in with a little bit of a winged eyeliner, maybe not too large, but something that will extend the length of my eye. For lashes today, I do have my Flutter Lashes Selfie Lash. I'm just going to go ahead and bronze my skin with the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to go ahead and warm up the face. I'm not going to do any like harsh bronzing. I just want my face to look a little bit warmer. And then for blush, I'm just going to take Rockateur and Dandelion and pop that onto my cheeks. With my Real Her Keep Going highlight, I'm going to smear this all over my face. This is one of my favorite highlights. It's so beaming and it's so bright. For lips, I want to do something different. I'm going to go in with a gray lip. This one's by NYX. This is their matte lipstick in the shade Ultra Dare. I want to intensify it and make it a little bit more dark, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Lip Suede in the shade Stone Fox. Alright you guys, I wrapped up this video. Hope you guys all really enjoy. This look was so easy. So easy to do. This is probably one of the easiest smoky eyes you can ever do. Just play around with color, play around with the blending technique. Just the blending technique of just like patting out and then blending later is so easy for beginners. So I hope you guys all really enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.